What's going on? Welcome in. My name's Travis. This is the Happy Crafters. As you can see, today we're in my daughter's bedroom. We recently got rid of her bed, so we ordered her a new one, and it's gonna be a little bit of a process. This thing came in 3 boxes, 3 big boxes, 100 pounds each. But what we're gonna be putting together today is this. Looks easy, right? I don't know. So let's go get all the boxes and find out what we're getting ourselves into. Also, this is the first channel in the video. Wait, pause. Also, this is the first video on the channel. So make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. We're just a fun family of 3, me, my wife, Christine, and my daughter, Venice. You'll see them later, but let's go get a new cup of coffee and get all the boxes into the bedroom. All right. We'll be right back. All right, so we got him in here. Feel like that was the big part of the battle. My wife was right there. You can kind of see her. She ducked around the corner. She's there. She'll be in the videos later, don't worry. All right, so we're gonna get that cup of coffee. We're gonna get to unboxing, see what we got here, and see what steps next. All right, let's go. All right, so we just opened the first box. It looks like there's about like 50 pieces. Scary sign, scary start. And there were no parts or instructions yet. Still got 2 more boxes, but we gotta make sure we take care of these boxes because I noticed on this box it says, please open carefully. Returns will only be accepted in original packaging. So we gotta be careful. But yeah, we're on to our next box. Let's hope for some instructions. All right, we just opened box number 2, and it looks like we found some instructions. This is pretty hefty little pamphlet, page 1 of 33. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is a hefty little pamphlet. Let's get to it. All right, so it looks like there's about another 100 pieces I gotta unbox. We're gonna skip ahead so this doesn't take as long, and we'll be right back after I have all this unboxed, all right? See you in a second. All right, we got everything unboxed, and as you can see, we got enough stuff here to build a small ADU. I mean, the amount of stuff that came out of those 3 boxes, I totally understand why it's a 33-page pamphlet. So, looks like we got a big project ahead of us, but I think it's gonna come out amazing. So, let's get to it. All right, after about an hour and a half, we got 2 pieces done. So, looks like we got a lot more work ahead of us. Let's go. All right, so we're about 4 hours in, and we finally got what looks like a bed behind us. As you can see, we got something standing, but we're only halfway through the pamphlet, so we still got a little bit more. Let's go. So we got the bed built. It took about 13 hours, and my body hurts, my fingers hurt, but it came out amazing. Let's check it out. So here's my daughter's old bed. We gotta get rid of that, but it's got the steps, little cupboards that open. We'll get a better shot of it at the end. But I had to go back to the store, get some new stuff. We had to get a bed that fits. Got some plywood for up here. We got some more stuff that we're gonna do under here. So let's get to it, and I'll show you guys the end result when we're all done. All right. So after 3 days, it took 3 days. Well, the bed took about a day and a half. It was 13 hours to complete. Then we had to wait for the dresser that came. But after 3 days and a long weekend of a lot of work, we finally got a nice looking room. And I'm so excited to show you guys. All right, let's check it out. So we hung up some fairy lights behind the TV. Gave it a nice little aesthetic. We got the galaxy lights pointing at the wall over here. We got the six drawer, 3-tier color changing RGB drawer, which is pretty sturdy. And then the masterpiece. We got the bed. Has a slide. She loves the slide so far. I gotta clean the carpet. We got our shelves over here. We got 2 pulled out drawers down below. And then here's one of my favorite parts. Oh, underneath the bed we got glow lights. And they change ever so subtly. It is so nice. We have a reading light up there that can be turned on and off. Her shelf, where she can put stuff that she wants to keep close to her. The steps, which open up to cupboards. And then instead of putting a bed on top, we went to Home Depot, got some plywood, screwed it down, had them cut it to size. It was real easy. I just took the measurements and they cut it for us at Home Depot. And then this carpet was $24. We got this carpet for $24 and we cut it to size, stapled around the edges. And now she has a little play area up top. So all in all, I think it came out great. Looks amazing. She loves it. It was a lot of work. The fingers hurt still. Just finished today doing that dresser. We just finished today. But I'm really happy. I love the outcome. I love that she loves it. The cat already loves it. Oh, sorry. We're all feeling a little sick around the house. Excuse me. But if you like this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and check us out on the next craft. Who knows? Maybe tie-dyeing, screen printing, maybe another building an IKEA crazy contraption. But until next time, y'all, bye. We love y'all. Peace out.